There was a meeting shortly after the fires at which people's response was being discussed. One of the issues, of course, is smoke taint. The standard advice from the Wine Research Institute at that stage was that we couldn't do anything to determine whether or not fruit was smoke affected for at least a month or two. So people were tearing their hair out saying, well, I don't want to spend money managing a vineyard for fruit which is stuffed.
So when the vineyard is exposed to smoke, the bound sugary smoky compounds gonna stay in the grape very stable and transfer it all into the wine. You can't see anything in your grape, but when you taste, when you smell the wine, it tastes very barbecue, ashy. It's really ugly if it's really bad.
We found it by sampling the grapes immediately after the fire, all the way through to harvest, when people would normally sample the grapes to determine if smoke had been an issue. We found that you can in fact sample earlier and predict whether or not you're going to have an issue with smoke taint in the final wine.
It was a unique opportunity to pull together people actually growing grapes, making wine, doing wine research, coordinating the dissemination of research. And it all happened in a hell of a hurry, and it happened over Christmas time. So, there was a lot of stress. People had been burned out, they'd lost their livelihood, they'd lost their homes, and yet people got together from all these disparate groups and made something happen, and was quite unique.
This research will have an ongoing benefit to the Australian wine industry and actually worldwide if you look around the fires in California now, because fires are here to stay. And the way our climatic and weather patterns evolve, we are going to see more smoke, we are going to see more fires, and we need to do whatever we can do to keep growers viable and be able to make the products that all of us enjoy